celebration, and all of us had a pretty stressful day.
Did someone say stress tooth?
No stress, dude. I'm in a video! Dude, you're gonna be in the showdown. Now get out. Sorry about that. That guy's gonna be in the showdown. Piggy, don't spoil it. Yeah, Piggy. Oh. Wait, Jonah. So, we're not gonna have any ladybugs because the ladybug. Ow. Watch it, Icy.
Ladybug. Yes, I'm a ladybug. Oh, yes, I am. I am a ladybug. I am a ladybug. Ladybug. Oh no. Please, not Icy. I'm a lady.
Whoa. Guys.
What are the chances I landed on here?
Oh. Hi, I'm a pizza. Guys, we're gonna eat some food and then
I'm rolling out.
And then we're just gonna take a nap and then we'll just see what happens. Pizza! No, don't eat! Jonah, with these little things, I think they can create like some little noise when they're sleeping, okay? Good night, guys. It's been a long day since we defeated the mastermind. Yeah, we're just gonna go. I'm a ladybug. Shut up, ladybug. Huh? What's that noise? Icy. What? Wake up. I think I heard something.
The battle showdown is starting.
What do you mean you heard something, Pig? It's like 3 a.m. Wait. 3 a.m.? No. It can't be 3 a.m. Guys. Why are you screaming? Charmander, we thought you were, we thought you were the we heard a noise. I'm a ladybug. What?
Here again.
What is that noise? Wait, did you guys hear that? Wait, what was that? I'll check it out. Wait, guys, the spider. I just moved one of its tentacles. Oh, that's creepy.
How about we keep it hanged up there?
Wait, how did it move its tentacles? I don't know. What the heck?
Or at least it's hanging.
Can we just go to sleep? Like, we have so much to do in the mornings. Like, we have to say goodbye to the owls and...
What's that sound?
Charmander, can you just hold the camera? Like, yeah. We have not heard of... Wait, pretend this is the clock, okay? This is the secret clock. Secret clock? Secret clock! What do you want?
There's something you guys don't know about that's in this room.
What?
Every time it's 3 in the morning, you guys are always asleep.
Yeah, we're always
Every
asleep.
time it's 3 in the
Can you
morning.
sit so they can see you?
Okay. Every time it's 3 in the morning, all the way until 3:30, they're battling with these weird wobble guys.
I'm a lady.
Stupid ladybug, get out of here!
Don't hurt me. I'm a ladybug.
Get out of here, stupid ladybug!
Guys, I'm afraid of secret clocks. Please don't hurt me.
I just want to warn you about what's
No, Oscar, it's okay. This secret clock actually helps.
So, every 3 to 3:30, there's these wobble battles that happen.
Wallow battles?
If you guys want to see them, you can follow me and you can watch them from above. That's what I do.
What do you mean by a bug? Wait, guys, look.
What are those wobble things?
Wobble, I said it. Wait, what are those? Wait, can you guys see them? Presenting the wobble.
Yeah.
What the heck are those things?
Okay.
They're like aliens.
We will be making it.
Aliens? No, there are aliens.
The 3 good guys against
What the heck are those?
against the 3 bad guys.
What the heck are those?
I think they're wobblers.
Guys, guys. Wait, they were kissing. Guys, do you seriously need to kiss every time?
The battle is starting.
You guys really need to seriously kiss
Guys,
every
you better watch this. Okay, first up
Just
we
enough.
have
Okay, I had enough.
the Flash.
Wait, guys, before it starts, I need to.
The Flash against the Riddler.
What the heck are these?
Let's fight. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Who's gonna win? They went away from
Come
each
on,
other.
Flash, you need to win this.
Looks like Flash is trying to stand up. Oh, the first one to stand up wins. Oh no. Flash is only wobbling a little. Flash.
That guy's wobbling a lot. Wait. He's shaking. He stopped. This guy keeps shaking.
Flash wins.
You suck,
Get
Riddler.
out of here. Okay.
The next.
Nice job, Flash.
Okay,
That's Superman.
we
Good
are
luck.
Wait, guys. What if this is a tournament set up by Pink Panda? Pink Panda? No. Wait. I saw like a spider in the background, but I didn't see it. They captured Lemur and Zigzag.
Okay. Superman and Harley Quinn are fighting. 3.
Wait, guys. Shh. Wait. Did you guys hear something?
No. 2.
Wait. Where's Lemur and Zigzag?
They probably went back so they could start kissing.
Yeah, they always kiss.
Stop. Oh, they went head on. They might hit each other again.
Come on, Superman. You need to win.
Oh, the Ray had each other.
It's a tie, I guess.
So up to the judge. Well, I mean, I did see Harley Quinn wobble like that after Superman stopped, so that's another point.
Yes, Superman, you're the bomb.
Remember, this is just practice.
Oh. Oh, who's gonna win?
Oh no, Joker got something to stop. Wait, he's on an angle. I don't think he'll ever stop. Oh, he stopped. Joker wins.
Come on, Batman. No.
Now, the real tournament starts. We're going to shuffle. Harley Quinn against the Flash. Who's going to win?
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh.
Ow, my foot!
Harley Quinn.
Okay,
fell.
whatever. They're spinning.
Flash.
Okay, Flash stopped.
Well, did he yet?
Harley
Flash
Quinn
is-
keeps spinning.
Flash stopped and Harley Quinn is out. What is this kind of thing? Okay.
Gamers. We've been hearing some very weird noises. And Lemur and Zigzag are missing. Ah!
And there's a
They've probably been taken by aliens. Aliens do not exist.
Okay.
Yes, they do. And you'll see my
Guys.
proof.
Guys. First of all, I
Wait.
have.
we'll do that at the end.
Duke is the best animal detective. He'll know what happened. So what's happening? You heard some noises. Zigzag and Lemur went away.
Yeah.
And there's this wobble battle.
They've been taken by aliens.
There's a wobble battle happening, and the mystery clock came. Okay. Well, first, I just have to say, you're lucky that you're not missing the wobble battle because it's actually pretty good. That has nothing to do with anything else.
Does that have to do with Pink Panda?
No. The guy who runs the wobble battle is the piggy bank.
Piggy banks don't even talk.
Yes, I do.
Wait, guys. That's my agent lost brother.
Anyway, so, have you guys realized the spider's not there anymore?
What spider?
The spider that hooks on there?
Ah! Where did it go? Wait, I think it just fell off or something. I think it just fell off.
If he fell off, he would have been on the floor. He's not on the floor.
No, maybe somebody was walking, you know. Maybe it was like, let's say right here, and then he was walking and maybe went under the bed.
Okay, anyway, the spider has, sort of, arms. So they
can... The spider's arms are not even alive. Yeah, we got that caught. We got that.
You know what? Just look up.
Look up.
The spider's there with Zigzag and Lemur.
What the? You can't even see it. You guys can...
I have good eyesight.
Why did you even see that?
Because I'm a detective.
What's that sound?
Anyway,
it's probably just that I refuse kissing, maybe.
And then they saw that I refuse kissing.
Hey, I refuse. Are you guys kissing?
No.
That's strange. And who's kissing?
Anyway, let's go get Lemur and Zigzag.
Meanwhile,
what is out, you creepy spider?
Let's go. Let's just... Hey, stop. Ouch.
It's fine. Just save them and get these two back. And now...
Okay, guys, before this video ends, Oscar and Duke just went in that room, and hey guys,
that was me. Sorry. Let's end the video.
End the video.